Imagine this. More than half of men over 50 will face some kind of prostate issue in their lifetime. Yet most of it can be prevented with a few simple daily habits. Sounds surprising, doesn't it? The truth is, small changes you make every day can add up to powerful protection for your prostate health. So let me ask you, what's the one thing you're already doing to look after your health every day? Is it exercise, a certain food, or maybe regular checkups? Share it in the comments, because your ideas might inspire someone else here today. Now, let's dive in together. I want to share with you 5 daily habits that can make a huge difference for your prostate health after age 50. These aren't complicated routines or expensive treatments. They're simple, proven steps that help you take back control of your body, one day at a time. Part 1 begins with something we all know but often underestimate: staying hydrated. Drinking enough water doesn't just help your skin or digestion, it also keeps your urinary system running smoothly. A well-hydrated body flushes out toxins and supports the bladder, which indirectly eases pressure on the prostate. But here's the catch. Not all drinks are equal. Too much caffeine or alcohol can irritate the prostate and increase nighttime trips to the bathroom. That's why I tell men to make water their best friend, aiming for at least 6 to 8 glasses spread throughout the day. Simple, right? Yet most people still don't do it consistently. Now, let's talk about diet. I like to call food daily medicine. A plate filled with colorful vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats is one of the strongest shields you can give your prostate. Tomatoes, for instance, are rich in lycopene, a nutrient linked to better prostate health. And it's not just about what you add, but also what you reduce. Processed foods, high-fat red meats, and excessive sugar can fuel inflammation. Think of your body as a finely tuned car. Would you pour dirty fuel into the tank? Every meal is a chance to either protect your health or put it at risk. Another powerful daily habit is exercise. And no, I don't mean you have to run marathons or spend hours in the gym. Even a brisk 30-minute walk can reduce inflammation, balance hormones, and improve circulation to the pelvic area. Movement is medicine, and your prostate benefits directly from it. I often tell patients about a man I once worked with who started simply by walking his dog twice a day. Over time, his energy improved, his weight dropped, and his nighttime bathroom trips decreased. That's the beauty of small, consistent steps. They build momentum. So ask yourself, what's the easiest form of movement you can commit to every day? Part 2 moves us into something many men overlook: stress management. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which disrupts hormones and fuels inflammation throughout the body, including the prostate. Have you ever noticed that during stressful times, your body feels tighter, more restless, and even your sleep is affected? That's why practices like deep breathing, meditation, or even quiet moments outdoors are so powerful. 5 minutes of slow breathing before bed or a short mindfulness session during lunch can calm your nervous system. These aren't luxuries. They're necessities for long-term prostate health. Sleep is another cornerstone habit. Your body repairs itself during rest, balancing hormones and reducing inflammation. Yet too many men push through late nights thinking they can catch up later. The truth is, consistent deep sleep is one of the greatest protectors you'll ever have. If you struggle with waking up at night to urinate, try limiting fluids 2 hours before bedtime and reducing caffeine in the afternoon. Create a sleep-friendly environment, dark, cool, and quiet. Protecting your prostate isn't just about the day, it's also about how well you recover at night. Another critical habit is regular checkups. Many men avoid screenings out of fear or denial, but early detection is a gift, not a punishment. A simple blood test or prostate exam can give you peace of mind and catch issues when they're most treatable. Think about it. Would you ignore the check engine light in your car? Of course not. Your body deserves the same respect. Building checkups into your yearly routine is one of the most powerful habits you can form after 50. Now, let's move into part 3, mindset and lifestyle consistency. Habits aren't about perfection, they're about persistence. You don't have to change everything overnight. Start with one daily action, maybe more water or a short walk, and let that become your anchor. I've seen men in their 60s and 70s completely transform their energy and vitality simply by sticking to these basics. It's never too late to start. The prostate responds positively when you treat your body with care, and the ripple effect touches every part of your health, energy, confidence, even relationships. So let's recap the 5 habits: hydration, a nutrient-rich diet, daily movement, stress and sleep management, and regular checkups. Each one is a layer of protection, and together they create a strong shield for your prostate health. None of them require X. You don't need to live and worry about the future. Here's the truth. You are in control. Your daily choices matter more than you realize. Every glass of water, every serving of vegetables, every moment of calm, every step you take, they all count. So I challenge you today. Which of these 5 habits will you start focusing on right now? Leave your answer in the comments. I'd love to know. And remember, health is not about fear. It's about empowerment. You don't need to live in worry about the future. You can protect your prostate and your overall health with simple, consistent action. Stay motivated, stay committed, and remember, you deserve to thrive at every age. If this message resonated with you, share it with a friend who might need encouragement too. Together, we can spread knowledge, motivation, and hope. Because every man deserves to live strong, healthy, and confident well beyond 50.